So I decided to start this entrepreneurial playlist because not only do I fix and flip houses and invest in real estate, but I have also invented and patented this product right here called the Snap Leash. As you can see, the Snap Leash comes in different sizes, this being the smaller size and this side being the larger size. It also comes in multiple different colors. Not only have I patented and invented a product, but I've also published a book that educates children on the prevention of sexual abuse. Unfortunately, it's a very tricky topic that I decided to take on because it's absolutely needed. The statistics are absolutely scary, so we decided to start educating children on this tricky topic. So not only have I invented a product, published a book, but I've also got a couple of other business ideas that I'm thinking about starting, which I will share with you in future videos. But this other idea is literally an idea of a business that I know nothing about. It has nothing to do with the pet industry, has nothing to do with the book industry, has nothing to do with real estate. So I'm literally gonna have to start from scratch on how to figure this out. And I'm hoping to find a mentor who can help me shortcut the process from idea to reality. So what I decided to do is create this playlist, entrepreneurial playlist, where we'll be sharing ideas on what we're doing with the Snap Leash, with the book, but also documenting our long adventure, hopefully not too long, on this new idea that we're getting ready to hit the ground running with. So on that note, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you've got some ideas that you're thinking about inventing and patenting, or maybe you have an idea for a book, or maybe you have an idea on a product that you know nothing about, like me. We can collaborate through the comment section, share ideas. I'd love to get your opinion on some of the ideas that we're doing, on how we could do it better if you have different ways that have been successful for you. So on that note, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.